Today we will be installing a new solution for the 2019 and up Dodge Ram, the 107-CH6B. Designed specifically for the installation of shallow chassis radios, I-shaped with radio chassis on the bottom and Pioneer modular 6.8-inch radios. Start the disassembly by removing the entire panel. Take out the rubber mat from the top of the dash and remove the 2 screws at the top. Carefully pull and remove the entire center panel. Remove a small plastic bracket and the factory radio screen with the removal of just a few Torx screws. Then, after a few more Torx screws, remove the factory climate controls from the dash panel. Remove the panel out of the dash, then remove the screen and radio. After, remove the 8 Torx screws. Then, remove the 8 screws from the back plate of the climate control panel. Take the back plate off from the climate control panel. Remove the climate control panel from the factory kit. Then transfer it to the 107-CH6B Metra's TurboTactile kit. Then, place the climate control into the 107-CH6B. Screw the 8 Torx screws into the back plate of the climate control. Place the new kit into the center panel and secure with the 8 Torx screws. You can use a shallow mount radio with this kit or a modular radio with separate chassis and screen like this with tactile function buttons. Place the assembly into the panel and secure with the 4 screws. After mounting the new brackets and assembling the new dash kit to the aftermarket radio, make sure you have made all the proper connections, making sure all the harnesses are plugged in. Finish the assembly by reassembling the dash in reverse order of disassembly to complete the installation. Turn the ignition on and test for functionality by cycling through the various temperature and fan modes. The provided OLED screen and buttons retain access to functions that were only accessible on the factory touchscreen. Check for sync button and max AC button control functionality. For any more information on this product or other brands, you can visit metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, or follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 volt.